I got my trial version of Home Designer Pro 2021 open. I drew a simple garage door, and I put the stairs in. I'll explain how in a minute. I just wanted to show you. There's the bathroom door and the stairs. You go up a floor, boink. I use the auto stairwell tool on the stair object to get the second floor. Okay, now how did I do that? Uh, Mainly, I drew the wall underneath the edge of the stairs, put in the sink, put in the toilet, put in the wall here, and I drew this wall goes all the way down under the stairs, down to the second tread. You don't need to go to the first tread. If you do, well, I'll just show you. You pull it all the way down to the first tread. Let me show you what I. Yeah, no good. So I just know from experience that you want to make that wall there go just to the second tread about. Yeah, see how it looks better and it still fills in and creates. Okay. So there's a cross-section elevation of that stairwell cut out and the bathroom. Okay, the main thing that's not all that obvious is I clicked on the stairs, opened the stairs, and by default they have in the fill tab, they have a solid white fill like that. And you can't see anything underneath. So in order to get the product that you wanted, you just go to the fill style and turn the fill off, and then you can see what's below. And that should work perfectly fine for you. Okay. Hope this helps you. And whether it did or not, have a great day. Bye. I'm out of here.